Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Shubhangi Coding in Magical World. So today in this video I will be telling you all about hidden screen recorder in Windows 7. So let's get started. So first of all you have to just come in the start menu and just type there run. Okay. You will see this program, just click at that and just type the PSR. So once you just type it, click at OK and you can see here the screen recorder. So when you just click at start recording, you can record your screen. Okay, you can record it. Like for an example, I'm opening the Discord. So you can just record it. Now you can stop the recording when you want to stop. Then आपको ये window open हो जाएगा. Then आप लोग को क्या करना होगा? अब आप लोग को जो ऐसे नेम देना होगा अपनी recording को. तो आप कोई भी नेम दे दो. Zip file में सेव हो जाएगा. उसके बाद आप जस्ट इसे ओपन कर सकते हो. ठीक है? So that was hidden about hidden screen recorder in Windows 7. So hope you all like the video. If like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And bye bye everyone. Stay safe and see you guys soon.